What if you could create professional quality videos without ever showing your face or hiring a production team? Imagine turning simple text into a talking AI avatar in just minutes. Virbo AI is a cutting-edge AI-powered video generator. It allows you to create realistic AI avatars that speak, move, and express emotions, making video creation effortless. It's simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Choose an AI avatar from a diverse selection. You can pick from a variety of digital characters, including professionals, influencers, educators, and more. Enter your text, and Verbo converts it into speech. Simply type in your script, and the AI will generate natural-sounding speech with synchronized lip movements. Sample prompt. Welcome to our AI-powered marketing guide. In this video, we'll explore the best strategies to boost your business using automation. Click Export. Avatar and animation is available after export. Here is the result.
Welcome to our AI-powered marketing guide. In this video, we'll explore the best strategies to boost your business using automation.
Let's try the template feature. Instead of starting from scratch, you can choose from professionally designed templates for different content styles, such as marketing, education, or entertainment. This speeds up the process while maintaining a polished look. Use the social media template and input the following script. Welcome to AI-TLDR, your go-to channel for quick and insightful AI breakdowns. If you love staying ahead in the AI space, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Hit generate and you've got a professional quality video. Virbo AI is ideal for marketers creating engaging ads, educators developing interactive e-learning content, YouTubers producing faceless videos, and business owners automating presentations and training videos. Virbo AI saves time, reduces costs, and helps anyone create professional quality videos with ease. Virbo AI offers a free trial with basic features. Paid plans start at $19.90 per month, providing access to premium avatars, advanced voice options, and higher video resolution. Click the link in the description and start creating today. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.